Is it possible that you are on the right track? It's just physical reality hasn't caught up yet.
That's possible. Yes.
Okay. So
For sure.
that heavy feeling, is it still a 6?
No, it's dropped.
Good. What
It's
number would
still
you give it?
there, but it's dropped. It's a 3 now.
3. And I
Yeah.
still feel heavy because,
I still feel heavy because um, I feel frustrated about my clothes feeling tighter.
okay.
And I feel frustrated because I saw a picture of myself
Yeah.
from like 2 or 3 weeks ago in a bathing suit, and it didn't make me happy. And that makes me sad because I really, really want to love myself in all aspects.
Okay.
And that gives me trouble to love myself. And I don't want to, I've been really unfriendly with myself in the past. Um,
Okay. And I can't love myself because,
I can't love myself. Ooh. I can't love myself because there's just too much of me. Sorry, this makes me really.
no, this is really good. This means we're right where we need to be.
Oh, okay.
So, do you have a daughter? Yes.
Yeah,
And do you think your daughter loves all of you?
yes, she does.
And even if there was another 10 pounds added on top of that, do you think she would still love all of you?
Yes, she would definitely.
And do you think your inner being loves all of you
Yes, definitely.
and all of the collective members just the way you are?
Yes, I think
So,
I know so. Yes.
so if all of these people love you, no matter what your physical body's condition is in, do you think it's possible that you could love yourself in the same way?
It is possible, though it feels like a struggle.
Okay.
And I really want to, this makes me sad because I want to raise my daughter loving herself, all of herself, just as she is, because she's perfect.
And
And it's hard for me to see myself as perfect too.
well, we're all a work in progress, right? Everybody's learning to love themselves. I can guarantee you there's not a single person on this planet who has absolutely mastered loving themselves at like 1,000,000%, right?
Yeah,
But the more each person learns to love themselves, the more they're going to benefit and the more people around them are going to benefit. Would you agree to that?
I absolutely agree. Yes. Yes.
Awesome. So when I say I can't love myself because, does anything pop in your head?
I can't even, no, I can't even say it because I know it's not true. I do love myself.
You're a beautiful person. You've got a big heart. You help people for a living. I can't think of a single reason why you shouldn't love yourself.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
So take a nice deep breath. Can you recognize that you're perfect just the way you are?
Yes.
That there's not a single thing that needs to change about you to be even more perfect, because you couldn't be more perfect.
Perfect's perfect, right?
Perfect is perfect.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes. Yeah.
And how does that heavy feeling feel now?
Oh, it does. It feels much lighter. It feels so much lighter. Yeah, I feel so much lighter.
That's the ticket.
I don't
That's
know how you do it, but
so here's what you want to do for homework.
yeah.
So my homework for you
Mhm.
is, do you do positive aspect lists?
Well, I've been doing a lot of lists lately.
Good.
Could you
I'm not
elaborate a
talking
little?
about grocery lists.
No, 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 no.
So here's the type of list you want to make.
Okay.
Every day, maybe twice a day,
Mhm.
make a list of all the reasons you love yourself
Mhm.
and maybe all the things you love about your body.
Okay. Okay, I will.
How does that feel?
Feels good. I will do this.
Good,
Definitely.
good. And you'll send me an update in a couple of weeks. So you let me know how you're making out.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Awesome. Have you tried using the freedom formula from the collective on this?
Not on this particular thing,
Okay,
but on the other like heavy thing, and it did make me feel a lot lighter.
good.
Um,
I
it took.
would I would
Mhm.
also suggest trying the Freedom Formula on the weight,
Yeah.
because the one person I have tried Freedom Formula with on weight was somebody, I think they're down like 10 pounds in a week.
Really?
I haven't checked with her since, but try the Freedom. I think we nailed it on the head with the I can't love myself,
Yeah.
right? And the more you love yourself and the more you love your body and the more relaxed you are, the more that weight is going to work off.
All right. Yeah. Relax is the thing. I am so relaxed with practically everything in my life.
Awesome.
But with my body, I just keep seeing the
Yeah,
expansion.
and that's, you want to start seeing the opposite of that. Or
Yeah.
you want to stop caring about the expansion. And when you stop caring about it, you'll stop noticing it.
Yeah.